Good morning, student of class 7. Today we will study the poem In the Bazaars of Hyderabad. Previous day I have already given a video of it in the Bazaars of Hyderabad, and day before I have given you word meaning to write in the fair copy. I think everyone you have done it. Now I am going to read, after that I will explain it. So listen carefully. Read and enjoy. What do you sell, O ye merchants? Richly your wares are displayed, turbans of crimson and silver, tunics of purple brocade, mirrors with panels of amber, daggers with handles of jade. I think after reading everyone you have understood that what this poem it's composed by Sarojini Naidu, Indian poet Sarojini Naidu. She has composed it, and actually she was in the bazaar. In bazaar means understand market, in the market of Hyderabad, and what she has seen one by one, she has gone on the shops, and what she has seen there. So in this poem she has described about it. So first, what do you sell, O ye merchants? After now she was going, and now after reaching on one shop, she has asked a question to the merchant. Merchant means businessman, shopkeeper. What it means? What are you selling, O businessman? What are you selling? And now they are replying. Whenever she was asking any question, merchant means businessman, they are replying. So what they are sharing here given: richly your wares are displayed, turbans of crimson and silver, tunics of purple brocade, mirrors with panels of amber, daggers with handle of jade. Now one by one, so richly your wares are displayed. Means here what richly means plenty of articles, goods are displayed. Means businessman means merchants, they are selling different types of articles, different types of goods. Now one merchant, one businessman is selling what? Shopkeeper is selling turbans. Turban, everyone you understand, of different color, crimson color, silver color. And another person is selling tunic. Tunic means understand a long loose cloth, especially for women, and that is actually purple color. Okay, and another shopkeeper is selling mirrors. Mirror, understand, and with which panels of amber. Amber yellowish of color. Amber means yellowish of color. So they are selling mirrors, and after daggers with handle of jade. And after another shopkeeper is selling what? Daggers. Daggers means handle. Handle is something to cut. Okay, like sickle. Sickle, you understand, like sickle. So daggers, and that handle actually made up of jade. So they are selling. So what? Turbans of crimson, tunic, mirror, and daggers. The shopkeepers, they are selling these items. And now after Sarojini Naidu, the poet has gone, she has gone to another shop. Now here, what do you weigh, O ye vendors? Saffron and lentils and rice. What do you grind, O ye maidens? Sandalwood, henna and spice. What do you call, O ye peddlers? Chessmen and ivory dice. Now again Sarojini Naidu, the poet, she has gone one by one shop, and now she has given it detail. So first she has gone in any type of shop. So what do you weigh, O weigh vendors? Vendor means shopkeeper. And so she has asked, O shopkeeper, what are you wait? What are you waiting? So now the shopkeeper replied, I am just waiting what? Saffron. Saffron, understand? Lentils means related to pulse. Pulses, understand? Pulses and rice. I am waiting what? Saffron, pulses and rice. And after another shop she has gone. What do you grind, O ye maidens? Maidens means girl. Girls are something grinding. So now she has asked. No, they are replying, I am just grinding what? Sandalwood, henna and spices. Now what do you call, O a peddler, chessmen and ivory dice? Now one shopkeeper is selling chess. Just understand. And now she has asked, what are you calling these? So this the shopkeeper replied that chessman and ivory dice they are. Now what do you make? And after reaching another shop, and actually shop that was goldsmith shop. Now Sarojini Naidu the poet has asked some question to the shopkeeper here. Oh, what are you making, goldsmith? What are you making here? So now they have replied. Goldsmiths replied that wristlet and anklet and ring, bells for the feet of the blue peasants, frail as a dragonfly wings, girdles of gold for dancers, scabbards of gold for the king. And now what Goldsmith replied, I am making a wristlet and anklet for the woman and ring. What they are making? Goldsmith said, I am making a wristlet and anklet and ring. And after bells for the feet of blue peasant. And I am actually bell, you understand? Ringing bell. So I am making bell also. For whom? For blue peasants. And frail as a dragonfly wing. And I am just making a delicate for the dragonfly wing. Girdles of gold for dancer. And actually waist means like waist band, something like, okay, for the dancer I am also making waist band. And scabbard of gold for the king. And I am also a protective case, means like where the sword is put it in, okay, I am also making of that. For whom? For the king actually. So what goldsmiths are making? Wristlet, anklet, ring, bells for the pigeon, girdles of gold for dancer, scabbard of gold for whom? For the king. Now fourth para. What do you cry, O ye fruitmen, citron, pomegranate, and plum? What do you play, O musician, sitar, sarangi, and drum? What do you chant, O musician, spells for eons to come? Now, after reaching another shop, and actually that shop actually fruit shop. And now Sarojini Naidu the poet has asked, what do you cry, O fruit man, O fruit seller? What do you cry for? Cry for means what are you selling for? So now see, they have replied, means the shopkeeper replied, I am selling what? Citron fruit, pomegranate fruit, and plum fruit. I am selling these. And after reaching another shop of music shop, and now she said, oh musician, what are you playing? So now the shopkeeper replied, I am playing what? Sitar, sarangi, and drum. Now next, what do you chant, oh magician? Sorry, magician is here. And after another shop, that is actually magic shop, magician was chanting any spell, chant, okay, mantra like, okay. So now she asked, what are you chanting the months? And now spell for events to come. And now what he said, spells for events and indefinite, very long period of time to come. I am chanting that mantra like, okay. Now next page here, last. What do you wave, O ye flower girls, with tassel of azure and red, crowns for the brow of a bridegroom, chaplets to garland his bed, sheet of white blossom new garner to perfume the sleep of the dead. And after at last finally Sarojini Naidu, the poet of this chapter, she has reached a flower girl. It means she was selling flowers. And after reaching, now she asked, what do you weave? What do you girl? So now girl replied, with tassels of azure and red. Now she said, I am just making or weaving ornament like with tassels of azure. I mean the different types of bright blue and color. I am making bright blue, red. I am just making a garland of. For whom? For the crowns of brow of a bride. I am making garland for ornament for bridegroom and bride also. Okay, for garland. And seat of white blossom, a new garland to perfume. And I am also making what? A white blossom, a white blossom garland also. For whom? To perfume, for the smelling, good smelling. For whom? The sleep of the dead, where any dead body is buried in the ground. So I am making white blossom garland also. Okay, by Sarojini Naidu. Now this chapter completed. Okay, I have explained today what to do. You have to complete word meaning. I have already given you, and read and suitable means exercise you have to do. Question answer I will give you today. Okay, thank you.